Hey guys, it's John and Darren, and that is it, the completion of the 2020 Perfect Product Vision series. And if you watched all 4 episodes, you are now ready to crush it going into 2020. You know exactly how to use data to find a perfect product, to launch it, and you've got some ideas on differentiation, and finally how to manage and keep that flywheel going so that your business just rockets into 2020. So hope you guys enjoyed it. We've had some amazing feedback. Let's just bounce around. Like, what was your favorite thing from doing the series, Darren?
Yeah, I mean, my favorite takeaways were probably from all of our expert guests, whether it was Adam talking about ideas around differentiation, or it was Chris Eng talking about how he stays one step ahead of his competition through listing optimization, or even Stefan at the end talking about, ACOS, and understanding your, what's left over for your business and exactly what key metrics to pay attention to. And then even Chris Im in video 1, and the ways in which he validates ideas. I thought, maybe we're biased a little bit, but that video series was awesome, and I just want to thank everybody for all of the amazing feedback. Really, really does put a smile on our face every morning when we woke up and we see all those comments. So thank you very much. What was your key takeaway?
Yeah, I think to that point, just the engagement from you guys watching the series and just validating how valuable this information is and helping you launch your products. It's just really great to see. So, that was amazing and enjoyable for me. But I think just actually going through the process, during this series of actually, using the data, finding a product, taking all those steps and just reminding myself, how unbelievable it is to be able to access that data and use it to make the right decisions. We had a choice of many different products and we nailed down to a few, and it was just because of the power of the data. So it's just great to go through that exercise. And then, I think on the thank you side, I just want to also thank our ZonGuru team for putting this together. It's been, many weeks of really hard work to put together this series. So I just want to thank everyone for doing that. And there's more to come. I think, before we get into the final prizes, just to touch on going into 2020, you guys are going to crush it, and we're going to continue to crush it with ZonGuru, bringing out new tools. We have high goals, lofty goals, and we've got a roadmap of powerful tools that are coming out in 2020 to add to the ones we have, and some of the great ones we've just launched, like Listing Optimizer, Keywords on Fire, Keyword Spotlight. It's really interesting looking at those back-end keywords. I've seen some really interesting stuff that have actually helped a lot of my products as well, which is pretty cool. And then obviously we're seeing a lot of comments around the add-ons, and people are using that to be flexible, to get more keywords on fire, to use Email Automator with their starter plans, all that kind of stuff. It's just great to see that everyone's using that flexibility to customize it for your own business and where you're at in your journey. So lots of good stuff happening and lots of good stuff coming up.
Yeah, and I also just want to call out, guys, if you want more hands-on help and this content was right up your alley, please make sure to sign up for our weekly training sessions. It's led by myself and Josh Pegg, and we do one for product research and then one for kind of seller onboarding. And it's just a way for you to engage live with myself and Josh and ask questions, see how the tool works. We try to switch up the presentation each week, so keep coming back. They're pretty fun. I actually really enjoy doing them. So each week we'll send an invitation to join us for the weekly training. And if you have any questions about that, you want the link, just reach out to us, and we'll make sure to make sure that you get that link and you can get registered.
Yeah, and guys, lots of other free content coming your way all the time. So, definitely sign up and join us on Instagram. That is basically a live feed of product ideas and inspirations, and we'll just keep things going, and it will align with kind of the teachings and the things that we've gone through in the series. So follow us there, check us out on YouTube. We've got new seller insight stuff coming, just a bunch of education and value to help you guys go into 2020. So let's why don't we jump into the last round of prizes, and then obviously the big one.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're giving away another gift card, another private consultation, 2 more hot product lists, and the grand prize, a lifetime access to ZonGuru at the highest subscription level. So let's dive in. Prize number 1, this one is for the last Amazon gift card of $25. This goes to Rosalie. Thank you very much, Rosalie, for your participation. Actually leaving a comment, we really appreciate it. That's coming your way. Prize number 2, this is for the one-on-one private consultation. This one goes to Gilliam. Thank you very much for your participation, Gilliam. We'll reach out to you in just a moment. Prize number 3, this is for the exclusive hot products list. This goes to Dominic Young and Russ Francis. So thank you very much, guys. We'll be sending that your way.
All right, it's time for the big one, which is a free lifetime subscription to ZonGuru, and literally this will power you through on your Amazon journey. We're super excited to give this away. It's worth thousands of dollars, you know, and it's everything from every single product research tool that you need, obviously, to listing and launching, and then to customer connection, and then finally to business metrics to really make sure you're running that business on every single level. So this is absolutely something that will be hugely valuable to your business, and you know, it's obviously free for your lifetime, so it's worth literally tens of thousands of dollars. So super excited to give this away. And Darren, who is it?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. I'm sorry if I mispronounce your name, but this grand prize for the Plus plan for free lifetime goes to Lin Hua. So thank you very, very much for your participation and leaving the comments. We're going to reach out to you and make sure we get your account all set up. And if anybody has any questions after watching these last few videos, reach out to us, support@zonguru.com. We're there to help. We're going to try to get to as many questions, comments as possible, as quickly as possible. So make sure to reach out to us.
Yes, guys, and don't forget that you can rewatch the series anytime at 2020.zonguru.com, but it's only going to be up there for a limited time. So get in there, rewatch the videos. Feel free to continue sharing it and leave comments. And don't forget, at the bottom of the landing page, you can sign up for the special offer specific to this series, and it's got additional value added into it. It's 15% discounted, and it's a really, really good offer. So get in there, sign up, and share that with your friends. And don't forget, guys, we are here watching you guys, helping you guys, and we want you to crush it going to 2020. So reach out anytime. Enjoy the rest of the series, and we'll see you soon.
Yeah, see you very soon.